everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my channel, Dragonfly Bees Resale Journey. In this video, I am opening up a ThredUP Fun Box. Yep, it's a fun box. And it's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. It's been sitting in my room for over a month now. So let's just open it up and see what we got. Fun boxes are really, well, the ThredUP boxes in general, rescue boxes, are really hard to come by. You have to be on their site quite often just to check to see whether or not any are available. I mean, they do offer many different types. This fun box was $32, and there is a shipping and tax charged. So yeah, I got this on November 8th. So that was like a month and a half ago. All right, so my table's really small. So, all right, let's see what we got. I will, I'm just gonna rip that apart. I do reuse the tissue paper and wrap other things in it. Oh, okay. All right, let's take everything out and I'll go over each and every piece. Oh, well, I guess I should have opened this sooner because there's seems to be a lot of holiday, Christmassy type of items in here. And the first one out of the box is this 33 degrees Christmas sweater, size medium. And look, you got that Merry Xmas tape, cassette tape. You have this really funky cat. Wow. With the scarf. What does that say? Oh, not sure. Jolly Jams. Oh my God. This, oh, okay. This is, oh, those discs that you put in the old tower computers. This seems to be in really good condition. Wow. Wow. It's got glitter throughout. This is like a really fun sweater. It still has the tag, but you know, no price. It's got a ribbing on the bottom and also on the collar. Let's see what the, oh look, there's even another one up here. Back up. A little thread sticking out of that. Let's see what the back looks like. The back is it's plain stripes, but this is some fun sweater, right? Wow. Cat lovers. So we have this 33 degrees, size medium, holiday sweater. Okay. Number 2, I think there's a theme here with cats. This is a Fruit of the Loom, size extra small to small. I guess it's a onesie. It is, but it's got cuffs on the bottom. Oh, this is really comfortable to wear around the house, I guess. Okay, this is pretty cool. Oh gosh. Button down. And let's see. Wow. Very fun. Look at this cat. It's got antlers. Oh, there's another type of cat. This one. Yay. Happy cat. Mittens, snowflakes, candy canes. All right. So we have this. It looks to be in great condition. It doesn't look worn, but there's no tag on it. So we got this one, Fruit of the Loom, size extra small to small. Okay, every single fun box comes with, you guessed it, socks. First pair is a Bass woman's sock with a ice skating cat. One size, and price, oh, it looks like it's $7.50. So we have this pair. Second pair, holiday editions, $3. More cats. This one, ooh, very soft and cozy socks. These, I believe, are from Old Navy. Yes, Old Navy. And one size, and it's Merry. So we have that. And then this pair, oh, these are great. These are thermal socks from Earth Therapeutics. And it even has shea butter moisture. How do they do that? Moisturizing hydrant, whatever. You see it. This says TJ Maxx, $7.99. Okay. Well, what size is this? 5 to 11. These are nice. So these are brand new with tag. So we got socks. So those 4 pairs of socks plus the 2 other items, that's 6, and this is 7, and this is 8. This here, black lace, racer back, brand new with tag, intimately free people. Retailed for $38. It's a size medium. It's very nice. $38. Wow. That's what it looks like on the back. It feels so comfortable. So we have this one in a medium. And then this, oh, this is not Free People. This one is Victoria's Secret. Size medium also. There you go. Victoria's Secret. And this is a black lacy thong. Right? Yeah, it is. So we have these. So 7 and 8. Okay, more sexy underwear. This is number 9. This is another thong, but it's got a lot of cutouts. And this is by Thistle and Spire. Size large, $32. Thistle and Spire. So we have this. Number 9, I think, was it? Number 10, we have this magnetic closure. I guess it's a journal of some sort. Yeah, it's a notebook. Has a little bookmark. No name. Sweet. So we have that. Okay, number 11. This looks to be like a cotton tie-dye cosmetic bag or storage bag. It's very clean inside. Zipper works good. And I see a tag. It says Queen Alafia. Hand printed by Queen Alafia, made in Ghana. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. That's cool, and it's a good size too. You know, can hold a lot of things. So we have this. Okay, this one is number 12. Brand new slip-on. I guess they're slippers. H&M. got that nice padded quilted. They look new. Size 38, so what is that, a 8? Maybe a 7? Genuine leather. Premium quality. Size 7, there you go. So a European 38 is a size 7. H&M. These are sweet, right? They got a little tiny heel. And we have that. Okay, next up we have jewelry, and this one is a Kate Spade. In fact, I do recognize this one. This is her multicolor crystal confetti necklace, and it's gold tone. There is that lobster claw at the end with her signature jewelry tag, a huge bead at the end of that extender. And let's take a look at this. A multicolor crystal disc bezel set. I've seen this on eBay going for anywhere between $59 and $99. So we have this one. You got reds, blues, greens. You have stations of 2 and then a single one, and 2 again, single, a pair, and then another single. So this is so nice. Let me measure. The drop of this is 15.5 inches. So that's 15.5, 31 inches in total. And then you do have this extender if you need it. There is that little spade. See that? And yeah, this is a great jewelry piece that came in this fun box. Fun! So the Kate Spade necklace was number 13 in this box, and this is the last item, and this is number 14. It's an Andrew Hamilton Crawford Sailor's Knot bracelet. If you've been following me, if you've been watching my videos, you'll remember that last month I got the same bracelet in another fun box, and that's when I participated in the battle of the ThredUP boxes with Christine of Girlio and Cindy of Fun Surprises, and that one was actually a black enamel. This one is beautiful. This is silver tone with that clear, almost like a ginger ale tone resin. Andrew Hamilton Crawford is headquartered right here in New York City, and the founder's name is Chad Crawford, and he started his company in 2006. Really well known, worn by celebrities. Even Oprah mentioned that it's one of her favorite designers, and wears his he's very well known for these magnetic bangles. And this one here is that sailor's knot, but there are other designs, like scroll designs, and very I guess architectural aspects to these designs. This should be magnetic, and it is. This is really beautiful. I do like this color. Yeah, I do. I really do. So this basically retails for over $100. I think they go from $98 to $120 maybe on his website. I did see one on Poshmark for $59. What he uses is hand-poured resin, and there's rhodium-plated overlays. And it's usually over sterling silver or gold. And there should be a mark in here. And there it is. Right there. It does say something. It says his initials, I believe. Yes, AHC. And then there seems to be a style number inside. There is some wear right there. And I believe this to be sterling. So we have this one. And I must say, this box was pretty fun. The cat themed clothes for Christmas were so adorable. What did you think of this box? Let me know down in the comments. Well, that's a wrap on this ThredUP Fun Box unboxing. Did you have fun? I sure did. I always have fun when I'm with you. So, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything you'd like to purchase, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. Jewelry will follow the rules of the $5 flat fee shipping. But the other items, depending on the weight of them and your location, I'll go by what USPS charges, of course, and I'll let you know what that cost would be if there's anything that you are interested in. Thanks. Don't forget, subscribe. You need to be subscribed in order to get in on these subscriber rates, and ring the bell. And when you click on that bell, there's another option where you can choose all notifications. Choose that, and that way you won't miss out on any new content that I post. So, thanks everyone for spending this time with me again. And if you're new, I'm so glad you're here. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays, everyone.